If you made it this far in crypto, well, let me congratulate you and let me welcome you to the bull market. And before you click away, well, it wasn't me who said it. It was just Larry Fink, which is the CEO of BlackRock, the biggest asset manager in the world with $9.5 trillion under their names. But don't believe me? Well, let me show you this short video.
Since the start of 2023, Bitcoin has pulled off an absolute moonshot. The crypto of record has soared 83%, with a good chunk of it coming since June 15th. That's when BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, filed an application for a spot Bitcoin trust ETF. BlackRock's iShares joins a crowd of fund managers from ARK to Invesco, VanEck, Grayscale, all these other fund companies that have been desperate to do the same, but they've been turned away by the SEC's bouncers, namely Chief Bouncer Gary Gensler. BlackRock's first application, actually, it's already been kicked back. The SEC demanded it name a surveillance partner to spot things like fraud and manipulation. And late last week, BlackRock and NASDAQ refiled, naming Coinbase as the custodial surveillance partner of the spot Bitcoin trust. Fox Business Exclusive is BlackRock's chairman and CEO, Larry Fink, along with Charlie Gasparino. Great to have you, Larry.
Liz, Charlie, it's good to be here on a summer day.
Yeah, and we're cool in here.
Specifically on Bitcoin, as I've said in the past, we're a believer in digitization of products. ETFs was a big revolution for the mutual fund industry, and it's really taking over the mutual fund industry. And we do believe that if we can create more tokenization of assets and securities, and that's what Bitcoin is, it could revolutionize again finance. The attempt in terms of what we're trying to do with crypto is make it more democratized with all of crypto and making it much cheaper for investors. Right now, the bid-ask spread for crypto is very expensive. It does erode a lot of the returns that you speak about because it costs a lot of money right now to transact Bitcoin, and it costs a lot of money to get out of that. And so we hope our regulators look at these filings as a way to democratize crypto, and we'll see in the future how that plays out.
You were never a crypto skeptic like Buffett. I mean, Buffett and Charlie Munger come out and they say all this bad stuff about it. But you were kind of skeptical.
Yeah, I was skeptical because the early users it was heavily used for, let's say, illicit activities. And I think as it became more accessible, and also I do believe the role of crypto is it's digitizing gold in many ways. Instead of investing in gold as a hedge against inflation, a hedge against the onerous problems of any one country, or the devaluation of your currency, whatever country you're in. Let's be clear: Bitcoin is an international asset. It's not based on any one currency, and so it can represent an asset that people can play as an alternative.
Now that I have you back, why you don't just like this video and subscribe to the channel? And let's talk about this video that you just saw. It was a very short video that happened today. Larry Fink, went into Fox Business and pretty much said to the world that Bitcoin is an international asset that helps to hedge inflation, and that also it's digital gold. Well, like he said, BlackRock helped the ETF world become more democratized and more accessible for people. That's exactly what his vision, according to this video, is for Bitcoin and for cryptocurrency. And the thing is that they file with the SEC to have a spot Bitcoin ETF, which it was not denied, but it was reviewed, and then the SEC sent it back because they needed more clarity of who's gonna be the custodian of those Bitcoin and who are they gonna take the Bitcoin from. And they refile again saying that Coinbase will be the custodian and will be the company or the exchange that they're gonna take that Bitcoin from. Larry Fink, as well as BlackRock, is all in with Bitcoin and with crypto. And if that's not the perfect mark for you to start buying and to know that the 2024, 2025 bull market it's starting, well, I don't know what it is, because this is the smart money. This is the smart money that everybody talks about. And when others think that an asset, or in this case Bitcoin and crypto, are dead or there is no movement in the market, well, that's when the smart money gets their hands on it, because they already realize that Bitcoin is the future and blockchain is the future. So that's what they're doing. This bull market, just like everybody in the industry just want it to happen, is being accelerated by the institutions. Institutions like BlackRock, institutions like Fidelity, and other institutions that want to take a piece of the Bitcoin pie and a piece of the blockchain pie. So my advice to you is don't sleep on Bitcoin, don't sleep on cryptocurrency, because these might give you the life-changing money that you always wanted. Like always, I'm Blockchain Jose. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Check the links in the description below, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless and peace.